Can I do this from anywhere in the world? And yes, you can. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. And that's what's so amazing. Like today, there are so many opportunities for people out there to change their lives with online business, with dropshipping, and with e-commerce. Right now, we're undergoing the craziest transformation in history, and e-commerce will be huge. It's going to be 100 times bigger than what it is now. So that's why I'm so happy that you're here watching this video with me today, and you're learning the right information for you to set yourself up for success. So yes, you can. That's the answer to that question. And now number two, how much money do I need to start? You can start with as little as $200 to $300. If you have like literally $50 to $100, then that might be too low. But if you have $200 to $300, or at least have access to that, then that's enough money for you to start. The great part about dropshipping is that you really don't need a lot of money because you don't have to order a lot of units up front. So that's why if you have only a few $100s, then that's enough for you to actually get your store up and running. And that's the most important part. The most important part is taking action. If you can start taking action today, you'll see that your circumstances today will line up in a way where you will succeed. Most people, they don't take any action, and that's exactly why they fail, because they don't even try. So if you try and you actually follow every single step that I'm talking about in this video, then the chances of you succeeding are very, very high. So if you have about $200 to $300, that's enough. If you have 500 or more, let's say 500 to 1,000, that's even better, because then you can start running Facebook ads. At that budget, you can really make your store take off much faster. And Facebook ads, including Google ads and Instagram ads, which I'm going to cover as well, that is literally the key to making your store grow like crazy, make your store grow like a wildfire. And so I'm going to talk about that as well. And now question number three, and this is a common question too that you might be asking, like, wait a second, Dan, can't my customers just go on AliExpress and buy my product themselves? And the answer is, yes, they can, but they won't. There's a reason why there's so many successful brands out there. All the products are made in China. They all can be found on AliExpress, but people still want to buy the product in stores or online on their online stores, not from AliExpress. Why? Because people want quality, and quality only comes if you build a brand. And that's why branded dropshipping is the way to go. It is the true way to win on Shopify, and that is exactly the strategy that Movement Watches, which is a dropshipping watch store. They actually just started off as just a store dropshipping watches, cool watches that they found off AliExpress. They sold for over $100 million to Movado Watches, to a big company. So the owner, imagine just from creating a dropshipping store today, a few years later, you go, you sell, and you walk out with a $100 million check, right? So obviously these skills are amazing to learn right now in today's changing world and in the boom of e-commerce.